How to activate your US Bank Focus Card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate your US Bank Focus Card online. For this, open up any web browser. Now, tap on the search bar and search for usbankforce.com Activate Card. Then, from the search results, you want to click on the very first website. It's going to direct you on this web page. Here, you will have to enter the 16-digit card number. Tap on Card Account Number option and simply enter your card account number. Once that is done, tap on the Continue option. Now, the next step is to enter the 4-digit passcode. Go ahead and enter that. After you have entered both the details, you simply want to tap on the Validate option that you can see over here. Once you tap on Validate, you simply have to follow through the on-screen prompts and then your US Bank Focus Card will be activated. Once it has been activated, you will receive the confirmation via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.